Okay, welcome back to 6:40 a.m. The Mix, and I am Hibirius, and let's continue with the show. Up next, I want to debut my new single, just released, and this will be a world premiere. Now, I haven't released a single in over a year, and I've been mainly putting out EPs and LPs, so I'm excited to release this new single, so let's get right to it. It's called Ionic Chase, and it's coming up next right here on 6:40 a.m. The Mix. Check it out.
6:40 a.m. The Mix. New York's only for house.
Okay, there you have it, my brand new release, Ionic Chase, right here on 6:40 a.m. The Mix, a world premiere. You heard it here first, but don't worry, we're going to be posting it shortly on YouTube, 6:40 a.m. The Mix. Check it out in a couple of days. It should be up and running in no time. And if you want to hear it again and again and again, like a reheated burrito, YouTube is the place. And if you're listening and watching on YouTube, comment below, and that's where you're going to find all the latest Hibirius news, tour updates, and new releases that are up and coming on the YouTube channel, so check it out. Right now, we're going to continue with the show with some bonus material. This is the Lunosphere, right here on 6:40 a.m. The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno.